Hey everyone, welcome back to another lesson here on the channel. Today we're going to be talking about the one lesson that I wish I learned, or I wish someone gave me as a new seller, right? First couple of months of selling, first year of selling even. If someone had told me this, I'd have been a lot more successful, a lot faster. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in watching, be sure to stick around to the end. Be sure to like and subscribe down below. But without further ado, let's just get right into it. All right, so we're here in my computer. I've pulled up a market for you. And the first thing that I'm going to tell you is the lesson, right? I'm not going to drag you out minutes into this video. Here's the lesson. Don't sell products where you can't say yes to this question. And that question is, does this customer need another option? If you say no to that question, do not sell this product. And what I mean by that is when we look through here, you search floating shelves, it's very broad, it's a big market, yes. But when I look through here, everything you could possibly think of, and let alone think of, but everything the customer actually wants or needs, it's already listed. We don't care about reviews. We're not looking at the quality of the competitors, even factors that, yes, are important, but just looking at what's here, the customer doesn't need another option, right? They have modern, they have mid-century, they have minimalistic, they have black, they have white, they have brown, they have natural, they have this wash, they have that wash, they have farmhouse. Everything is here. You don't really stand a chance as a new seller to provide something unique that grabs the customer's attention when there's already such a range of highly relevant, high quality products. So this makes me cringe almost when I see people's product ideas and they're thinking about launching something and it's like a iPhone speaker, and that's a bad example because it's electric, so that could go that wrong there, but something like I don't know, a salt lamp. I don't know why I keep saying electric things, but you know what I'm saying, right? Like when you look at a market and it's just like everything that could be done with this product is being done here, don't try and sell it. Now, a lot of you that have seen my channel know what I do, know that I've, created a public storefront that people could watch me sell products on. It's not my only storefront, but it is one where I've publicly launched products, and I sell a shelf. Wait a second, you actually sell not just a shelf, but a hanging shelf. Why are you telling me not to sell in this market, but you sell a hanging shelf? Well, that's the next lesson that I wanted to give you. This is 2-for-1 Friday special, okay? Not only am I telling you, the lesson that I wish I got, but I'm going to tell you what to do to work around how to be successful now knowing that lesson. Go dig into a space where it's a market like this, or somewhere that the top level, look at it, the wide view lens is saying there's a lot of competition, there's everything that could ever be wanted here, it's being done. And then go dig through keywords, go dig through customer search data, go dig through niche versions of this, go rabbit hole and click into a bunch, see related products, and all of a sudden you find one with 20 reviews that's doing well. What's so different about it? And I actually did that starting from a market very similar to this. I think it might even been this market. Keep clicking through, go to page 40 and see what's popping up there that is related. And I came across this product, right? Now at the time, this is actually getting really saturated just because of the nature of Amazon. And over time, more products pop up. And I'm sure, the fact that I have videos with tens of thousands of views talking about this product in a space where people are looking for Amazon products didn't help either. But either way, this is a successfully ranked product. And it sells about anywhere from $5,000 to $15,000 per month, depending on what month it is. Does extremely well in like Q4. I think a lot of people buy these for their friends that are like boho friends, or I don't know, just has something to do with people's buying behavior. Anyway, right now it's a little bit slower. It's like doing like $6,000 a month or something right now. This product is a very niche version of what we were looking at here, right? It doesn't have 2,000 reviews. It has 248 rewiews. It's very specific. It's for a very specific customer. I understood that customer. I was one of the first people to do this, and I rep the rewards because of that. I've sold over $105,000 worth of this product at anywhere from a 25 to 30% net margin in the last 12 months. So I consider that successful. Label whatever you want as success. I think that's awesome. So go and use that as inspiration. Go, okay, don't do this. Can I ask that crucial question that Paul gave me and say yes or no to? If I can say yes, they do need another option. Well, what is that and where are you getting that option from? Is it the customer, or are you just using your brain? Make sure you're always testing it against your target demographic. And then dig deep, find what it is they are missing. Why aren't there enough listings? What is that reason? And then tackle that, actually take action on that. So that's gonna do it for today's video. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end. Be sure to like and subscribe down below so you don't miss videos like this one in the future. And as always, I'll see you here on the channel next time for another one. Thanks so much. Later.